Kuboga na linguiça. Oh, Xanaína, vem rebolar na linguiça. Oh, Xanaína, vem Kuboga na linguiça. Oh, Xanaína.
Hey guys, my name is Simpio and welcome to my channel. On this channel, I'll be sharing ways and my strategies of making money online and also offline. I'm planning to release at least 3 videos per week, so if you are interested in making money in 2021, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click the bell icon so YouTube will notify you whenever I release a new video about how you can make money in South Africa. On this channel, I won't review any money making apps or websites unless an app or website pays a fair amount of money. I will reveal my very powerful strategies on how you can make money. If you want to make money with apps and websites and server sites and other similar things to that, please subscribe to my other channel, which is Online Success SA. The link will be in the description below. I hope you're gonna enjoy my content as much as I enjoy making it for you. So don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video. Peace.